All students be ready to start.
Welcome back again, students of Senior 1 for STEM schools. Let's start some preparation before we start math in Senior 1. First, we start with I, which refers to imaginary number. I equals root of -1. We refer to I because it's a imaginary number. It's not in our real life. We don't have root of -1 in our real life. Okay. If I say I power 2, I power 2 root -1 times root -1 equals -1. If I say I power 3 equals I power 3 is I power 2 times I. I power 2 here root -1, -1 times I, which is only I, so equal -I. If I say I power 4, which is meaning I power 2 times I power 2 equal -1 times -1. Very good, equals 1. I want only the first four powers of I, which is equal root -1, I power 2 equal -1, I power 3 equal I power 4 equals 1. And if I say I power 4 n, n which is refers to any integer equal also 1, because I power 4 equal 1. Like what? If I say I power 4 times 2 equal I power 8. I power 8 is I power 4 times I power 4 is 1 times 1 equals 1, and anything else. If I say I power 4n, which is equals 1 plus 1, 1 is meaning I. So I write I, very good, because 1 times I equals I. If I say I power 4n plus 2, 2 which is meaning I power 2, and we say I power 2 equals, very good, -1. Which I say I power 4n plus 3 equals -4. Very good. And we say here that is n is any integer. And if we say I power n plus I power n plus 1 plus I power n plus 2 plus I power n plus 3 equals, we can take I power n common factor, and we will have 1 plus I plus I power 2 plus I power 3, which is equal I power n, and here 1 plus I and I power 2 equals -I xn, and I power 3 here, sorry, -1, and here -I, we can cancel everything equal I power n times 0, which is equal 0. And if we speaking about the complex number, the complex number have a part of it is an imaginary number and the other part is a real number. We named it by C, complex number equals x plus I, which is refers to the imaginary number I y. X belong to R, real number, y belong to R, and I equals root of negative, which is refers to imaginary numbers. We see here z equal x plus I y. And we can name the I here iota. If I have here z1 equals a plus ip and z2 equals c plus I. If I wanted the sum of z1 plus z2 or the addition of z1 and z2, we can write a plus ib plus c plus id. We take the two parts of real numbers, a plus c plus, and we take I as a common factor, b plus. And if you want to get the difference of them, z1 minus z2 equals, first write the part of z1 a plus ib minus c plus id. How can we take this or making this? We can take the two parts of real numbers, a minus c plus, and taken I as a common number, as a common, and here b minus d. Very good. We wanted to take the product of them, z1 times z2 equal a plus ib times, or we can don't write times, c plus id. First multiply a by c and d equals ac minus bd. This is the two parts of real, and then plus and taken out I, bc minus ad. And we can say that complex number for C is called truly real if its imagined part is zero. If I which refers to imagined part is zero, or we can see that the complex number is called truly. Imagine if the real part is zero. So truly imagine if its part if R is zero, because here we will have only the imagined part. Okay. If I have an equation consists of we have here equation consists of x power 2 plus bx plus if we have two roots of the equation called alpha and beta. Two roots of equation is alpha and beta. If I want the sum of these two roots, sum which is alpha plus beta, and we have here a which is the factor of x power 2. Alpha plus beta, or the sum of the two roots, equal negative b over a. Negative b, the factor of x only by the negative sign, and the factor of x power 2. If I want the product alpha beta, or alpha times beta, equal c, which is called the free term c over a, which is the factor of x power 2. If I want 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta equals negative b over c. We have alpha power 2 plus beta power 2 equal alpha plus beta all power 2 minus 2 the product, or 2 alpha beta. If I want the difference alpha minus beta, we make the square root, and here alpha plus beta whole power 2 minus 4 alpha beta. And here we end our preparation to algebra, and see you again.